Hello friends, this is Shubir. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I am exploring different technologies and related devices. In today's video, I am going to unbox a new adapter I received, which is basically I'm going to use with my MacBook M1. This company name Satechi, sorry if I spell it incorrect. It is a aluminum case USB-C to Multiport Pro adapter, which is basically converting the USB-C of my MacBook into USB-A SD card, a micro SD card, a HDMI port, and a USB-C power delivery where you can connect some external devices and you can power through USB-C ports. Any laptop or computer having USB-C ports, it is compatible with that. Although the resolution of the display, it can maximum support which is 4K 30 Hz. However, I'm not using a 4K monitor for my regular uses. It's full HD, so with that it should be okay. And the USB-C which can transfer up to 5 Gbps should be enough for me. And I bought this from Apple Store directly. I've seen few of the Satechi devices which is available on the Amazon, but not this one which advertised on the Apple's own website. So I thought to go for this, which is already certified by Apple. Not really, but yeah, means Apple is selling that and giving all the supports for this device. So it cost around £65 for me, which is double or three times from the other devices which is available on the Amazon. And more or less like the features wise it looks like same, but the only point which is most vital is the quality, which I believe. So I went for this one. Let's open the box. It's coming with a white color box and a space gray color of the device. Now inside it's a red, orange, or a kind of mix box inside, and there are few paperworks. And yeah, at last the device what we're looking for. Please note the cable length is only 15 centimeter, which is 6 inch. So if you need a lengthy cable for this connector, this device is not for you. So confirm it before buying. See, this is a very small device on hand, aluminum case, lightweight, where there is a USB-C port, USB-A version 3, micro SD and SD card connector, and on the other side it has a HDMI cable port. Let's quickly connect it with my MacBook. Okay, when it is connected, a blue LED is constant on, so that you can understand yes, this device is connected. Now here you can connect the other devices you have. At this moment I am going to check with a pen drive or a mass storage device. Yeah, when it is connected, yeah, it came properly on my MacBook, so which is okay. And let's try it by connecting my full HD Samsung display. And yes, it's came very well. When I tried to record the second screen as well, I'm getting the full HD resolution. At the end it fulfilled my requirement. And let's see the longevity. Although I have a belief on this company, not exactly, I have a belief on the Apple, as Apple is selling this on their own website, so I think it will last longer. So The device is quick. You can connect it with the display. You can connect your SD card, micro SD card. You can connect a pen drive, or if you want to connect something external like external hard disks or the CD drive or anything, you can connect. But as it this device only have one USB port, so you can connect only one device at a time, not multiple. So if you want few more devices at the same time, then I think this is not the right choice for you. You need to go for the other one. There are few other models are available with Satechi, which you can buy from Amazon or from Apple website itself. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe this channel so that I can add more videos on similar kind of devices or a few new technologies.